Hey guys, welcome to the ND72 YouTube channel, and this is my Slk32. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Adam with ND72. Today we're back in the garage and we're doing some stuff to the SLK. We got it all on the rack, and what we're going to do today is make it a little bit louder. We're going to be building a full exhaust system. I got a series of 3-inch stainless and that's all manged or bent, some straights, some 90s, some 45s. I got some X pipes, some Y pipes, all this other rigmarole over here. And we're most likely going to keep the factory tips. So I'll do like I did with all the other cars, cut them, polish them, and make it look a little bit nicer over there. So it kind of looks stock, but it's definitely going to sound a lot louder. I'll show you what it sounds like now. So you see it's pretty quiet. This is even a cold start, and you barely could hear this thing. For this being like kind of, I don't know, I don't really like quiet cars, so we're gonna make it liven up a little bit. So we got this up in the air, so I'm pretty sure this is all factory. You got a little factory AMG mufflers that go through all these little pipings that then go to this huge AMG again resonator. And then it has a nice little factory H pipe there. And then you're going to go back and you got the 2 cats right there. Those all look effing factory, so if anyone wants them, hit me up. And it goes through a couple, I think this is all like 2 1/4 or 2 inch. And the 2 factory cats there. So, not bad. I'll start ripping the whole thing out. It shouldn't be too bad. And then throw it on the ground. Alright, this is the factory one. Got it all out. Not bad. Looks like factory cats all around. And then the resonator, holy poop, those are, my shadow. Those things are effing heavy, and same with that muffler. So we're going to be dropping a lot of LBs, just getting rid of all that stuff. And then I'm going to measure this out and see exactly what diameter this is. So yeah, it's up to now. Let me just zoom in. So even for an AMG, it is probably right around 2 inches in diameter of the exhaust. So pretty small. We're going to shoot all the way up to 3 inches. So actually it opens up. So it opens up to 2.5 inches once you get past there and right around there. So I think it's just the 2 inches when it's coming off the flange, and then it goes up to 2.5 all the way back. But still, we're going to shoot up to 3, but not bad. I don't know if you can tell, but also we're going to polish up these tips right here. You can see how grimy and nasty they kind of are. So I'm going to get some good old chrome polish and try to clean these up since we are reusing them. Ooh, looking much, much better. Definitely gonna polish them a little bit more, but I'm gonna cut them up and get ready to start putting them on the, get ready for the build the exhaust. Once it's all in the car, I'll polish it up a little bit better, but looking night and day difference. Oh, yeah. Alright, we kind of painted that back half, got it all installed. It goes pretty far up, as you saw, going to the factory headers. Mine's out. You know, I don't mind some of the coating. I got to respray it a little bit to make it better, but we did get the, here's the back end and here's the V-band. It clicks right to make it easy. Comes right out. Try to do as much or as least bends as I had to do for it. I'm going to have to, I got to reposition this, put a little adapter so I can still use this or just remove it. But yeah, there's the muffler that I'm using. I got to finish up the welds, but the welds aren't too bad, you know what I mean? I'm getting a little bit better at it. Also, what I'm probably going to do is, nothing's really hitting, it's clearing like the diff, but this is pretty effing close. It's like I can fit a finger in there. So I am going to header wrap this, like this part of it, and over there by the trans. And then do some actual thermal readings to make sure it all kind of stays good. not bad. I'm gonna do a cold start right now and see how it sounds like with this muffler, because right now I can still break these. They're just kind of like tacked on there. So I will have an exhaust leak until I finish welding it up, but I just want to see what this little muffler sounds like, because it's a teeny little thing. And I still have the other two little like resonators right there that I put in. So we'll see how it sounds. Alright, we still gotta put the tips on and finish welding from like a couple of the joints back. But I just want to see how it sounds in case I like that muffler or not, because I could always take it off. Ugh, let me get in the car. This will be a cold start, if I could get to it. Not too bad at all. And I got it almost perfectly lined up, and yes, I'll be using some factory tips. I'll have to arrange them a little bit better, but not bad. I got to finish welding and painting. I got a couple rods I need to cut off. Ooh, not bad. We got the tips, literally, I can still move them a little bit, but I think I got kind of a good shot of an angle on it. Ooh, I don't know. I'm definitely going to clean everything up. I got to rip it all back off, but I think it's looking pretty nice. All done and installed. Not bad, not bad. Probably should have painted it black in the back so you didn't see it so much, but the tips are looking pretty nice. See how it fires up. Alright guys, we're in the car with the windows down. It's really not that bad. You know what I mean? We'll do a couple pulls with the windows up. And we can kind of hear it, I don't know, maybe from the inside of the cabin. Put some AC on, because we got that. We'll do a quick little pull. The car, I like it. It's not like, as you can hear inside the car, it's not too bad. There's not like a lot of obnoxious noise and all that rigmarole. So I think with the two resonators in there and then the muffler, I definitely think it made a pretty good sound. The car still, it feels, I mean, it could just be my mind, but it feels like it's pulling a lot harder. And right now it's 94 degrees in Florida, and I've been driving the car around for 30 or 40 minutes. So definitely looking at my air intake temperatures, I got to deal with that right now. Well, I mean, that's going to be the next mod, because those are basically like 120, 125 right now. And the supercharger gets cut off every once in a while. Like literally you can watch the boost and see it drop down, but for the exhaust, much nicer. We're going to turn around and go through, do another pull, going the other way with the windows down. So we got the AC, let me actually shut that off. Windows down and just stopped. It's not obnoxious at all or nothing weird. We'll go do like another little pull in Mexico. That's basically second gear at 3,000 RPMs, like a 30 pull. Not bad, not bad. Very happy with it. Now we're gonna take the car home, make sure everything's good, nothing fell off. Not bad. So back home, still gotta get new rims for the front, but it is not that loud at all. The header wrap is still burning off a little bit, you can see it. But I think it sounds pretty mean. I think the tips look pretty cool. I definitely did stagger them, and I like that a lot. I think I might have to paint the inside, not that gray, so then you don't see it so much, but pretty. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the video. Next time we got some Need Wings parts coming in for that, for basically a heat exchanger. We got a bigger intercooler pump, a couple things to keep that temp down, and then we'll be going for another tune and a smaller pulley soon. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh,